Good day. One last topic for this block. I feel today inspired. Talk a bit about DCFS and everything that's connected with DCFS. And one of the reasons why I am so excited to speak today um, is because of the recent development in DCFS, with the DCFS. So you heard about the lawsuit that was recently filed for DCFS taking the child from the mother's hands who didn't speak very good English. Child was about 70 months, and child spent 3 months with different foster parents and finally returned to the mother. So there's a lawsuit against DCFS. DCFS investigators named individually as with the supervisor, and the lawsuit is for $2 million. We get maybe anywhere from 3 to 5 calls a day about possibility or an inquiry, can I sue DCFS? And it's, DCFS is a government, big brother. It's so hard to sue them. You have to prove intent. You have to prove that they did not follow the procedure. You have to prove a lot of things. There are many allegations and whistleblowers coming from DCFS saying that the investigator is not properly prepared, not properly trained, don't follow the procedures, overworked, overwhelmed, and forced to close cases. These are allegations, right, that has to be proved. There are a lot of cases that we deal with when they take babies from the hospital. And I'm going to go back again and again and again to the main topic when I'm saying that, there are some entities that absolutely must call DCFS when there's an allegation or suspicion that something is going wrong, including when at birth, they take blood from the mother and shows cocaine in the system. It's horrible. They're going to take the baby. They're going to take a newborn from the hospital and they're going to place it with the DCFS system. Can you sue the DCFS? A lot of people trying to sue DCFS. Well, there has to be a good case for that. The case that I just mentioned that is in the news, it's a good case. I don't know if they're going to win it, but it's a good case because there's a very little child who cannot speak. They take the child from the mother who doesn't speak any English. They place it into 5 foster homes, this little child, and they finally return the child back. So kind of admitting their own mistake. Again, I don't know the insides of it, but that's a good case. Other cases, if they take, just because they take the child away from you and they place with the foster parent and it's been like 5 years now and they still didn't get the child, you probably don't have a case because you have to prove that they did something wrong. Remember, in order to take the child, you have to go also through juvenile procedure, the courts, the judge, jail, child representative, all those people, important people. And can you sue DCFS? You can. You can sue them in federal court for violation, but you need to allege, first of all, standing that you have a right to sue. That's number one. Second of all, you have to come up with a good case, with a good complaint, so it's not dismissed. Just because you're upset doesn't necessarily mean that you can sue DCFS. That doesn't mean that you can win the case. You don't want to sue somebody just for fun. And 3, you have to allege damages. So how much did you suffer? How much did the child suffer? And put the dollar amount to it. So to answer your question, yes, you can sue DCFS, but did DCFS violate the procedure? Did somebody did something wrong? It has to be proven. It has to be proven. And the burden of proof in this case is on you, because I usually say it's on the DCFS. In that case, it's on you. If you have a question, give me a call, 847-241-1299. 847-241-1299. Thank you.